let's talk about what you need to get started, what I call the OpenAI API Starter Pack. This is what you need: the files from this course, that's the demos or the exercise files, an OpenAI account with credits and an API key, then a local installation of Python and something to run your code. For example, Jupyter Notebook or VS Code are very convenient. On the other hand, you can also use something that runs in the cloud, like Colab or Kaggle. Anyway, let me give you a demo on the OpenAI API Starter Pack. Once you have an account and credits, the next step is to create an API key. For this, go to the menu at the top, select View API Keys, and create a new secret key. Please store it safely. Also, once you create a key, you cannot retrieve it again. If you lose your key, you might need to come here, delete the key, and create a new one. Then you need to get Python, which is something that's straightforward. It's highly likely that you already have Python running in your machine, and it's recommended to use a virtual environment. In my case, this is my Python version, but a similar version would work just as well. And then in my case, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. You can also use Jupyter Lab if you want, or even VS Code. You can download Jupyter Notebook and install it, or if you're in a Mac, like in this case, I can do a pip install notebook. And then I started with Jupyter Notebook. And there it is, it's running. And in my case, I've already navigated to the exercise files, where I have organized them by each demo. For example, this is the next demo, where I'll show you the difference between using the API and the library. Each one of the demos is self-contained. The only thing that you need to do is to specify the key location of where you stored your key. Just create a text file and place your key in the first line of that file. Once you're here, we're ready to get started using the OpenAI API.